From saying hello on a telephone to say hi on the modern day folding phone, from a postman delivering mails to email, technology has changed and helped us in many ways. I am Divya Varnekar from Play with Infotech. These are 10 futuristic technologies that will fascinate you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more lists like this.
Number 10. Folding phone.
Foldable phones are finally making the presence felt in the smartphone industry. In February alone, 2 foldable devices have hit store shelves: Motorola reimagined Razr and the Galaxy Z Flip. And we have the feeling that more will come throughout the year. It's a new form factor that promises the convenience of extreme portability when shut, and the largest screen whenever you need to get things done. Foldable phones that you can buy right now: Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, Motorola Razr, Samsung Galaxy Fold. And there are even talks of Apple launching and folding. We can wait to hear its kidney selling price.
Number 9. Exoskeletons. Tech-infused exoskeletons are already in development in the US and foreign nations, both for medical application and for military use. The possibilities are endless. In warfare, the hope is that exoskeletons can improve the physical capabilities of soldiers, allowing them to run faster, lift heavier objects, and relieve strain on the body during physical operations. A company called Suitex is releasing their own exoskeleton to general public to use during rehabilitation from an injury. Would you use exoskeleton armor? Number 8. AeroX.
The AeroX Hover Bike is an aircraft that will make your childhood dream come true. Created by AeroX, this stunning looking bike feels like you're riding a bike from Star Wars movie. Designed to carry up to 2 people. It runs on gas and boosts its speed of 45 mph and priced at $85,000. It's to be released in the year 2022. So tell us, would you like to ride this hover bike? Let us know in the comment section below.
Number 7. AR glasses. This futuristic glasses looks like a taken out from a science fiction movie. We can make calls, find information of an object by just looking. These are also used in the industries to check the quality of products. In simple words, our personal Javish, it can do everything your phone does and more. It can also be voice controlled. Companies like Google have released a version called Google Glasses, priced at 80,000 rupees. Apple is rumored to launch theirs too. Might be with their folding phone? Only Tim knows. What are your thoughts on AR glasses taken over smartphone industry? Number 6. Heart rate monitoring t-shirt.
Wearable health technology is rapidly becoming more medically advanced. The days of going to the doctor to get your basic checkup done may be abolished. Heart-in ECG t-shirts are just one example of these advancing technologies. Heart-in co-founder and CEO Oselki Vinogradov explains more about how this technology could be future of ECG monitoring. Smart digital health wear shirts have conductive fibers woven in, performing the jobs of an ECG machine and transmitting vitals to your doctor's smartphone. A novel electrocardiogram device built in a shirt could cut precious time of comforting a cardiac event needing immediate intervention.
Number 5. Flying car. This fascinating mode of transport can transform itself from a car into a small aircraft in just 30 seconds and can travel short distances. The first flying car is to be released by the taxi giant Uber, which has already shaken up the taxi industry and is trying to put driverless cars on our roads. Now, the company aims to flying ride-sharing vehicles in our skies by 2022. Would you travel in a flying taxi? Share your opinion in the comment section below. Number 4. CGI powered impressive.
Lines blur between fantasy and reality. This revolutionary technology is going to take the gaming industry by storm. The players feel like they are in the game. Due to advancements in the CGI industry as explained in the movie Ready Player One. Do you think one day we are going to go to a theater that feels like a movie? Share your thoughts in the comment section below.
Number 3. 3D printed houses. 3D printing constructions has seen some fascinating projects and some massive 3D printers. More and more firms are joining the market, 3D printing more and more homes. The advantages of 3D printed houses is that the owner can customize it like any place they want. Even machines themselves are very fast. Some of them are capable of manufacturing a 600 to 800 square foot home in just 24 hours. Additive manufacturing is really seen as a new way to create affordable housing. Number 2. Artificial intelligence.
The most fascinating prize of technology invented in this century. AI is basically a computer that learns from a human and makes decisions on data provided to it. So the first AI created by the technology gained IBM in the year 2007 and won the quiz show Jeopardy, and its power was shown to the world for the first time. Now AI is present in the smartphone. That Android assistant that we shout, "OK Google" is an AI, or for Apple users, "Hey Siri." Artificial intelligence can do anything or everything you want, like set a reminder to make calls, send messages, voice to text, etc. And it's developing every day, and one day we might be able to book a dinner reservation by just saying "OK Google" or "Hey Siri." Do you use Android Assistant or Siri? Please tell us how often in the comment section below.
Number 1. The Boring Company Tunnel. This gigantic tunnel is said to be a hyperloop where the passengers can travel in high speeds. So now you all might be thinking, what is a hyperloop? Well, a hyperloop is a sealed tube or system of tubes with low air pressure through which a pod may travel substantially free of air resistance or friction. This would drastically reduce travel times versus trains as well as planes. The special thing about it is due to the partial vacuum in the tunnel, the significantly higher speeds are possible with the same expenditure of energy. The Hyperloop is said to be capable of reaching speeds up to 1125 km per hour. And there are already ideas in the place for possible routes. This is another idea in the string of ideas in the brain of the great Elon Musk. So that's it. This was our list. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, I am your Infonet Muzammil signing off.